Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Edge 60 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up, choose Allow All, and when you're ready, tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now hit Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to send. Like that. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times. And then hit Send, select one of your files, and hit Send when you finished. Select Got It in the pop-up, and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire, and tap on the Receive button to connect. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up, and point your Android's camera at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!